In this video, I'll be teaching you how to earn money just by typing. That is right. For just typing words on your keyboard, you can earn as much as $5 per minute. Do you want to find out how? Then you should watch this video. I'll show you a couple of websites that you need to use in order to successfully do this method. You can start typing words while enjoying your favorite cup of coffee and earn up to $300 per hour. However, you have to be careful and make sure that you are typing it correctly. If you don't want to type it, you can just copy and paste it if you like. Just keep watching as I demonstrate precisely how to do so. Furthermore, registration on the website that I'll show you is entirely free. Before we start, type in on the comment section down below on which country you are watching from. I am very curious about which countries are the majority of my viewers are, and so that I can make future videos specifically just for you. So just comment down below the country that you're watching from. Oh, and also, I'll be giving a special bonus tip for you if you reach the end of the video. So make sure you watch till the end. Let me just tell you that this method today does not require a specific set of skills or experiences. All you need is your laptop or phone and you are good to go. This is also available to be done by everyone around the world. There are no restrictions on which specific countries can do this. And most of all, this method is completely free. You do not need any initial payments or monthly subscriptions to start off. Imagine earning money for free. However, you still have to devote some of your time and effort to do this method and earn money. Yes, it is free, but effort is required. Oh, let me just tell you that you won't be a millionaire overnight just by doing this method. It will not replace your day job, and you need to put in continuous effort in order for this method to work. This method can help you earn extra from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day-to-day expenses. Now that's all out of the way. All you have to do now is sit back, relax, and grab a beverage and pay close attention to this video. Because if you miss even one part of this video, then you will not be able to successfully make money when it is your time to do it. So watch carefully. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The first website I want you to visit is typingtest.com. This is a website that tests your typing skills. You can see here that they have different tests with different durations. They have 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes test duration, and test types include easy text, medium text, hard text, blind typing, story typing, themed, and professional. Why do we need to do this typing test? It is because after you do a typing test here on typingtest.com, you will be given a certificate. This certificate is beneficial to the other websites that I'll be showing you later on. So to begin the typing test, just set the timer to 1 minute and pick the easy text type and just click on Start Test. You can then start the test when you type the first word. On the upper left section of the test, you can see the timer, and in the middle you can change the mode from normal to pro. For the sake of this video, let's just set it to normal. Now all we have to do is start typing. When you're done with the test, you can see your test results immediately. You can see your typing speed here and your accuracy and your net speed here. One tip that I want to give you is that you should aim for about 60 words per minute and 100% accuracy. This will ensure that you will be easily accepted and be offered tons of typing jobs for the websites that I'll be showing you today. If you still need practice, then Type Testing has typing courses for you to do. They have tons of lessons here, and you can do this if you are not confident enough in your typing speed. You can also retake the test as many times as you want, so you can take the test again and again until you reach 60 words per minute and 100% accuracy. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now onto the websites that will make you earn money. The second website that I'll be showing you is called rev.com. Rev is a speech-to-text service website where people can transcribe video and audio files into written words. They have 3 specific services: transcription, captions, and foreign subtitles. In transcriptions, all you need to do is convert audio or video files to text and it will pay you $1.25 per minute. In captions, all you need to do is listen to the video files and put on captions in the video. This will earn you $1.25 per minute as well. And lastly, in foreign subtitles, you are tasked to translate a specific language to English. It can be from German, Hindi, Japanese, Korean to English. And it pays $3 to $7 per minute of recording. In our case today, we will be focusing on transcriptions and captions. But if you're familiar with other languages, you can try foreign subtitle, which can pay you more. If we pull out our trusty calculator and calculate our earnings per hour, if we transcribe or add captions to a 60-minute audio file, that would be $75 per hour. And in just 2 hours, you can earn $150. However, if we translate foreign languages, that would be much higher. For a 60-minute foreign language recording, you can get between $180 to $420 in just 1 hour. How great is that? So to start, head on over to the bottom of the website and look for the freelancers option. Once you found it, you can click it and you will be directed to this page where you can register as a transcriptionist or a captioner. The best things about being a freelancer in Rev is that you have a flexible work schedule. You can start at any time of the day and you control your own time. They have hundreds of jobs available here. Since Rev is trusted by over 170,000 customers, jobs are available here daily. And lastly, you get paid here weekly. You can receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed. Rev is on time and dependable. Now, all you have to do is register for a free account here and you are ready to start earning money. The next website that I'll be showing you is called TranscribeMe.com. TranscribeMe is another text-to-speech service website similar to Rev but with additional services. This service includes data annotation, transcription, translation, AI datasets, speech recognition. In TranscribeMe, you get paid $15 to $22 per audio hour. That's a little bit less than Rev, which gives you $75 per audio hour. However, this is still an opportunity to make money, so let's not waste it. If we go back to the calculator and compute our estimated earnings, we can see here that for 2 hours of work, you can get an amount between $30 and $44. You can earn monthly for about $250 and a maximum of $2,200, and that is a lot of money. They also have a flexible work schedule and you also get paid weekly via PayPal. To become a freelancer here, you just click on the Get Started button right here and fill up this form. They have an FAQ here that you can read for further information before you register to learn more about how you can earn money and how the entire system works. Now just fill up this form with your personal information and you can get started. One special tip that I'll be giving you is that you can actually submit your typing test results on these websites. This will give you a higher chance of being offered tons of transcription jobs and make tons of money. Now that I have shown you a step-by-step guide, it is now your turn to do this and earn money. So good luck! And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.